Just got it. So here we go. CNC group break number 1752. We are going to start with the 0708 Series 1 Retail, the 1112 Series 2 Tin, and the 1213 Series 1 Hobby. So a lot of upper deck to start. Oops. Overshot on one. Okay. Come here, you. Alright. So here we go. We start with base. Later, buddy. Base. Yeah, I have no idea. It does seem a little unnecessary. We've got a Young Guns for the New Jersey Devils, Nicholas Bergfors. Nicholas Bergfors. Base. Base. Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Matt Ellis. Base. Base. Hometown Heroes for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. Well, he will be for a while. Base. And base. Alright, on to the 1112 Series 2. And the Jumbo is for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Brad Malone. Hockey Heroes for the New York Rangers, Brad Park. Victory Rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Eddie Lack. Rookie Materials for the San Jose Sharks, Harry Sateri. Canvas for the San Jose Sharks, Dan Boyle. Young Guns for the New York Rangers, Stu Bickle. Victory Rookie for the New Jersey Devils, Keith Kincaid. OPG Rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Johansson. Base. Young Guns for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. Canvas for the Ottawa Senators, Daniel Alfredson. Victory Rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jake Gardner. Hockey Heroes for the Montreal Canadiens, Jean Beliveau. And base. Alright, now on to the 12-13 Series 1 Hobby. Canvas for the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. Young Guns for the LA Kings, Jordan Nolan. Upper Deck game jersey for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Anders Lindback. Base. Base. Young Guns for the New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. Chris Kreider. Canvas for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. Young Guns for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeremy Welsh. Upper Deck game jersey for the New York Islanders, Michael Grabner. And we've got a case hit, which was probably a very weak hit when this product was put together, and now is suddenly much better than it was at the beginning of the season. Signature Sensations for the Carolina Hurricanes, Yuri Tlusty. Yuri Tlusty, Signature Sensations for the Hurricanes. Him and his nearly point per game average. Base. Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Riley Sheahan. Canvas for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Silver Skates for the Ottawa Senators, Jakob Silfverberg. Hockey Heroes for the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur. Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, UC Arunas. Base. Base. Upper Deck exclusive, number to 100 for the Calgary Flames, Mike Camilleri. Canvas for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. Silver Skates for the Calgary Flames, Sven Berchi. Sven Berchi. Hockey Heroes for the New York Islanders, Brian Trottier. Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly. And base. Coming up next, the 11-12 Between the Pipes and 10-11 Decades.